How to turn off mention and tags in app notification on your TikTok account. Hello guys, today I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end. Make sure that you like and subscribe in this video. So let's start. First, you will just go and open your Instagram. Then when your Instagram is opening, you will just go here on your profile, then open your profile. After when your profile is open, you will go up on this three line, click on it, then go to settings and privacy. After settings and privacy, guys, go to notification and then go to in-app notification. And now you have you will find mention and tags, and you will turn off this option by clicking here on this place, and that's it. I hope this video is useful for you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you next video.